water ค่ะ Oh thank you
Alright guys, it's super hot in this car. So much I brought this car from San Bernardino because I need to do a lot of maintenance on it. So today we're gonna go see if the mechanic has some time. That way I can install some R1 concept rotors and also performance pads. So we'll see how that. So basically with the mechanic, unfortunately he wasn't able to install the rotors. They're a lot more thicker than the originals, so I might have accidentally ordered the ones off the turbo, or which are thicker, or non-turbo, I can't remember guys. But so basically he was able to just install the brake pads with the OEM rotors, the ones I have. And basically for right now I'm gonna have to see if I can get that situated, but for right now I just want the car to be drivable, so we'll go from there. Thoughts today. It's kind of unfortunate that the rotors didn't fit. I'm still trying to wonder if maybe I just needed to shave off a little bit of the brake pad like suggested by Gino, or maybe I ordered the wrong ones from the 1991s and the 1992s. I need to double check. Anywho, so far though, I've been driving the car with the stock rotors and with the R1 constant brake pads, and it feels a lot better than before. So overall, I'm still happy about it. The car feels way better. The steering wheel ain't wobbling when I'm, going at a high speed and braking, slowing down. So overall, today was still good. That I got the brake pads done. I still have the rear calipers to swap out to the 95 ones compared to the 93s that I have. That way I can have my e-brake. So overall, still still a productive day. It just sucks, you know, I'm kind of stuck with the rotors. Trying to figure out if I can still use them. But, you know, another day in car land.